All right. Hey, team Crank and Plank. It is Robin and
Nevada.
Nevada here. So we're going to do this every month at least for your training plan and explain some of the training plans in depth. This one clearly, as trifecta, doesn't need a lot of explanation because you have studied it to death. So you kind of know what you're doing already, and we've all done our little sample classes, and they're kicking butt. I know Liz is putting hers on Saturdays, and Margaret is putting Stephanie on starting the 15th of this month coming up. And I am probably going to do the same. I'm still not sure what I'm doing with mine. So it may be after school starts. But regardless, for this month, you are doing S trifecta. And we have decided, Nevada and I have tossed things around, and we decided that we think the best course of action, at least right now, would be for the month, you have a training plan, and it will be the same training plan all month. That way they can do it, try it again, see if they get better, and they can actually see progress. And then the last week of every month, we're going to do an FTP, of which later this month, in a week or so, we'll get Nevada will post a little video explanation for you guys for that, so you'll know exactly how to do it and what to do. So with that said, Nevada, you want to talk about the site?
Let's do it. So we wanted to have a place, like a central location, so that we could have all of the information that you would need at your fingertips. So you wouldn't have to go searching through email or saved documents or wherever to find things. We would have one space where everything would be located. So what we have is a Crank and Plank site. It's like a website. It's built so that you can find anything and everything you need about our curriculum in one place. And when we look at that site, you'll be able to see that you have the documents that we used during the training, whether you did the in-person training or whether you did the Zoom training. You can see the document that we shared with you. It's there, so you can have that at your fingertips. And then it will also have a schedule.
Do you want me to
So
pull it up,
yeah,
Nevada?
that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome.
We'll see if I can do it. You can keep talking while I try to
So
figure out.
yeah, so the one thing, the schedule you'll see, we're gonna continue to build this, but the schedule will have, like for the month of, wow, we're already there. Good. For the month of August, you can see S trifecta in red is what we're doing. And then you can see towards the end of the month, that last week, you can see that we're doing the FTP. And you'll also be able to see, for instance, Liz at Pelham is teaching at 8:15 on Saturdays. So we will continue to build those individual classes in there because you may want to go visit somebody's class and maybe experience how they teach that curriculum. And I think that'd be a great way for us to learn from each other. So you'll have the training plan schedule. You'll also have training plan tutorials. And in there, this is where we're going to load this video. You're going to see it land right there. You can't see it right now because we're making it right now, but this is where it will land. And each month, like Robin said, we'll be posting those tutorials in here so that you can get a heads up and a reminder about what the content should look like for the month. And the overview is where everything that we had during training is going to be in there, the training packet. It features on the very beginning that chart that we want everybody to really look at and teach your participants the RPE chart. Use the words that are in that RPE chart so that they understand exactly where we're taking them during those different pieces of the training plan. We're also going to have a forum. We're building that right now. It's not in place, but it will be. It's coming soon. And this will be a place eventually where all of your discussions, all of your questions, all of your comments can land. Right now, we want you to just email us if you have a question. But what this will allow us to do is have a central location where we can have a conversation about anything happening with Crank and Plank. Good stuff, give each other shout outs if you visit classes. If you're having any questions about specific content, we can put that in there. So it'll be a great place for us to have a discussion so that we're not emailing in circles, and we will eventually get that built in right here. And then further over to the right, you see we've got crank content and then plank content, and we'll have that built out so that you will be able to see the different training plans for each. And then on the far right, you'll have playlist ideas. And we've got, let's see, I think Robbins is already in there.
I'm trying to see how I get to it because our square is there, like we're there, and I don't know how to. All right, there it is. I hit us. Yes, and
Awesome.
that's where we can.
So yeah, Robbins class, I think that's the one you actually taught with. Is it
It
Robbins?
is. It is.
And it's hyperlinked in there. So if you use Spotify or anything that I can hyperlink, if you'll share that playlist with me, I can push it in here. And it's okay to use music that someone else is using. You know, we all grew up listening to the radio, so you never heard, you never had to worry about not hearing some of the same things twice. It's okay if you do.
Yep.
So, so that's our site. And I guess now we could talk a little bit about just a reminder about the S trifecta. Is there anything else that we want to talk about with the site, Robin?
I don't think so. I would say this is just for now, get into a habit of checking it. There's nothing that's going to notify you that we posted anything, but we will be posting the profiles for the next month, every month. So I would say just get into a habit of checking it maybe every Monday, and you may want to check it more often. It's not going to hurt. But if there's anything in it that's really specific that you need to see, I will probably shoot you an email just telling you to check it. But if you guys will just get into a habit of checking this and just let it be our place where we can talk to each other and pump each other up and stay on that same page. I think that's super important. So if you'll just get into a habit of that, that would be fabulous. I'm gonna stop sharing. Is that okay? There.
Yeah, that's good.
So if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email until we get that forum going. But for now, for Crank and Plank, for this month, for the month of August, we are doing S trifecta. You're gonna do it if you're teaching it this Saturday, like Liz is teaching this Saturday, she's gonna teach the same thing next Saturday and the same thing next Saturday, and then she'll do an FTP, of which we will have an update thing on just kind of more specific to how to do that. But that is how it's going to roll from here, at least right now, to see how it goes. But I don't think people are going to get bored if doing the same thing for one single month, considering, they do the same thing in body pump a million times. So I think they're going to be fine with it. And same crank, we'll just keep the same plank content as well for this month because I think it works. It's a good intro where I know it's a good workout. It's a hard workout, but it's got different levels. So we'll just keep that and just keep your whole like team mentality. Remember to call your people team. Try to develop this culture of like we're hardcore crank and plankers. And if you will do that, then and use your whiteboard and just stay on the same sheet that we've kind of been trying to stay with since we rolled it out. But I think that's it. Nevada, did you think of anything?
I can't think of a thing. I'm gonna visit some classes, so I can't wait to see you teach. And it's a team. It's a team of athletes, and just like Robin said, it's got to feel different, somewhat different than your regular class. It's got to feel a lot different than a regular cycling class, and you know what that feels like now. So just make sure you hit it hard and keep them coming back for more.
Yep. Get off that bike, walk around, coach, get in their faces. Not faces, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. All right. Nevada, do we need to talk afterward? Are we good?
I think we're good.
Or I can just stop recording. I'm gonna stop recording and then
Sounds
I'll talk to
good.
you for a second. So
Okay.
let us know if y'all have any questions. You guys rock Team Crank and Plank.